Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where legal knowledge becomes clear, practical, and powerful. In today's episode of our law series, we explore a subject that impacts homes, cars, health, businesses, and peace of mind: insurance law. To explore more episodes, check out our full law series playlist linked in the video description below. What happens if your house catches fire, if your car gets stolen, or if a loved one passes away unexpectedly? In such moments, it's not just emotions that run high, so do financial risks. Insurance law is the legal safety net that ensures people and businesses are protected when the unexpected happens. What is insurance law? Insurance law governs the relationship between insurers, companies, and insured parties, people or businesses. It deals with the formation, interpretation, and enforcement of insurance contracts. There are many types of insurance, including life insurance, health insurance, property and vehicle insurance, business and liability insurance, travel, marine, and fire insurance. Insurance law ensures that claims are handled fairly, contracts are honored, and that fraud and abuse are prevented. Key principles of insurance law. Here are some fundamental legal concepts. Principle of utmost good faith, ubermi fidei. Both parties must disclose all relevant information truthfully. Insurable interest. The insured must have a direct interest in the subject matter of insurance. Indemnity. Insurance should restore the policyholder to the financial position they were in before the loss. Subrogation. The insurer can recover losses from third parties after compensating the insured. Contribution and proximate cause. Legal principles that help resolve overlapping claims or disputes. Historical background. Insurance has existed since ancient times. Early forms of maritime insurance were used in Babylon and Greece, but modern insurance law evolved during the 17th century in London, particularly with the rise of marine trade and the establishment of Lloyd's of London. As businesses and personal risks grew, so did the need for regulated, trustworthy insurance systems and the laws that govern them. Famous case study, Carter v. 66, UK. This landmark case established the principle of utmost good faith. Carter bought insurance for a fort in Sumatra, but didn't disclose key information about its vulnerability. When the fort was captured, the insurer refused to pay. The court ruled that both parties must disclose all material facts, even if not asked. This decision laid the foundation for modern insurance contracts worldwide. Why insurance law matters today. From climate disasters and cyber attacks to health emergencies and product liability, insurance law protects against financial devastation. It provides stability in uncertain times, legal remedies when insurers act unfairly, regulation of massive industries handling trillions of dollars, confidence for businesses, families, and investors. In the digital era, insurtech, AI underwriting, and global risk pools are raising new legal questions that insurance law continues to address. What's next? Whether you're heading into law, business, healthcare, or risk management, understanding insurance law is essential for smart, secure decision-making. In our next videos, we'll explore cyber law, environmental law, and tax law, fields that intersect with insurance more than you might expect. You're watching the Learning Studio, and this is the Law Series, where knowledge prepares you for every possible risk.